Alright, what's up y'all? Quick update on the chili pepper pad. These three are all hot. That is habanero, ghost pepper, scorpion pepper. I don't know if you've seen them in my previous videos, but they have blown up nicely. So they are producing peppers on a regular basis now. This stalk right here just took off. That's going to be a big one. But yeah, they've got regular peppers popping on them. It is the end of August right now. As you can see, some of those got either fell or eaten up. But that is a habanero. Ooh. The ghost and scorpions. So basically I've just been watering these guys as needed. I'm not sure, next year I'm going to put plants in the ground. This year it's all containers. It took me a minute to get the balance of the water. Seems like the hotter the pepper, the drier soil they like. This is the Anaheim, which has been great. I've already got some more Anaheim seeds sprouting, and I'm going to try and overwinter a few plants that I'll probably put in the ground next year. But the Anaheims are awesome for grilling and stuffing and eating. Those have been some of my favorites. This little patch right here, 5 of them are all jalapenos. Use these for cooking a lot too. Also learning how to pickle them in jars. I'll do a video on how to do that once I figure it out. But no, I've got first round of product come through, and well, produce I guess come through, and it's good. I need to dial back the vinegar. There we go. Now I think all of these, except as you can see, I've recently topped this one. So he's growing back from that. But I think I store-bought that plant. But this one, this one, this one, and this one I all raised from seeds. And this is a cayenne, which has been really productive. Tons and tons of cayenne. I just don't eat that much of it. But the pickling has been fun. Kind of gives me something else to do with the excess peppers. But this Anaheim is about to just go nuts. And I'll show you that. Yeah, this guy has been my favorite for sure. I've got some Anaheims popping there. See it next to the stalk there. I mean, they get big. They're great for eating, great taste, great for grilling. Really like the Anaheim peppers. So that is a quick update. I've got some more sweet peppers, but that'll be for another video. They're out back right now. So it's raining, about to go inside, but that is a quick pepper update. Y'all take care.